Indutex
presents Donning Video Guide. 3 pieces Cleanguard Sterile Kit. After placing the kit on a flat surface, proceed to sanitize the gloves before opening it. Follow your company procedure for opening the bags, usually 2, that make up the packaging of the sterile kit. Once opened, sanitize the gloves again and start dressing. It is always advisable to use a full body mirror to make sure that the movements are correct. Normally in the locker room there are 2 areas divided by a bench, a grey or unclean one where you dress with a hood and a suit, and a white or clean one where you pass once you have put on your overboots. In this simulation, we'll use a white bench as an example. First, put on the hood with integrated mask. The hood has 2 hand symbols to facilitate proper dressing. The mask is equipped with both ear loops and laces. Put on the ear loops. Tie the laces on your face by adjusting the hood and surgical mask. Tie the chest laces. This prevents the back of the hood from coming out of the suit. Now put on the suit. In this example, the suit is already folded in such a way as to offer the inner part to the operator so that it can be touched without compromising its external sterility. Place the hood inside the suit with the help of the mirror. Once the suit has been worn, proceed to unroll the sleeves and legs, taking care to do so using the edges of the elastic bands that will then be covered by the overboots and an additional pair of gloves. It is recommended to sanitize your hands before each step and before touching any external surface. Then put on our overboots and move to the white or clean area of the locker room. Pay particular attention to crossing the laces around the instep to best adapt the sole to the shoe. Proceed with the second overboot and move definitively to the white or clean area of the locker room. In some procedures, if there is the presence of liquids and it is necessary to prevent them from entering the overboots, this one will be put on and then the end of the trousers will be turned over them in order to cover the surface. Normally at this point, proceed to put on a protective pair of goggles and a second pair of gloves and sanitize them. In this video, the Cleanguard kit consists of a hood with mask fall mask, a reinforced collar suit and a pair of overboots with non-slip soles. If you need further information you can contact us and we will help you.
Indutex
proud to protect everyone.